Rajma and Moong dal pasting. Materials required are Fevicol, Rajma and Moong dal. Put Fevicol on the figure. Paste Rajma, giving the shape of the branch. Paste Moong dal on the remaining area. A beautiful tree is ready. Dry brush impression. Materials required are poster color, brush and color palette. Dip the brush in brown color and dab the brush on the body of the snail in a circular form. Use brown pencil color to color the lower portion of the body of the snail. Now our picture is ready. Cotton bud impression. Materials required are poster colors and cotton buds. Take out different colors on the palette. Dip cotton bud in the color. Use different cotton buds for different colors and put different colored dots on different parts of the butterfly. See, what a colorful butterfly is this!